Hello and welcome to the Natural English Podcast. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Lily. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you could join us today.
We have a really nice and simple topic for you today. It's all about our morning routines.
Yes, we're going to talk about everything from waking up, making the bed, going to the bathroom, and finally getting dressed.
This is a great topic because it's something we all do every single day.
And it's full of everyday English that you can use in your own life.
Exactly. So sit back, relax, and listen to our natural conversation. It's a perfect way to practice your English listening skills.
Hearing real conversations like this helps you understand pronunciation, rhythm, and how we actually speak in daily life.
So I hope you'll stay with us until the very end. And if you enjoy this, please give the video a like and subscribe to the Natural English Podcast.
Yes, please do that. It really helps us, and we love having you here.
So Lily, let's start at the very beginning. How do you usually wake up?
Well, I have an alarm clock on my phone. It's not a very nice sound, to be honest. It's a loud, classic beeping noise.
Oh, that's the worst. I can't use that sound. It makes me panic in the morning.
I know, it's terrible, but it's the only thing that actually wakes me up. I'm a very heavy sleeper.
And what's the first thing you do when the alarm goes off?
First thing, I hit the snooze button.
Oh, the famous snooze button. I like that phrase. For our listeners, what does it mean to hit the snooze button?
It means you press a button on your alarm clock that makes it stop ringing for a few more minutes. Usually it's about 9 extra minutes of sleep.
Ah, I see. So you buy yourself a little more time in bed.
Yes, exactly. I need those extra minutes to prepare myself mentally. I usually do it twice, maybe 3 times.
Really? I'm the opposite. As soon as I hear my alarm, I turn it off immediately. I hate the sound so much that I just want it to stop.
You don't have the urge to stay in bed?
Not really. I just want to get it over with. But maybe I should try the snooze button sometime. It sounds a bit more peaceful.
It is, until you realize you have no time for breakfast.
That's a very good point. So after you finally get up, what's next? Do you get out of bed right away?
I do eventually. But before I get up, I like to stretch a little bit. Just a simple, slow stretch. I reach my arms up and point my toes.
That sounds nice and relaxing. I usually just jump out of bed because I'm already late from hitting the snooze button, but I'm trying to be better about that.
Being rushed is no fun. So once I actually get out of bed, the first thing I do is make my bed.
That's a good habit. When you say make my bed, that means arranging the covers and pillows neatly, right?
Yes. When I was little, I thought making the bed meant building it from wood, like you were a carpenter or something.
That's so cute. You thought you were building a bed frame every morning?
Yes. I remember asking my dad, why do we have to build the bed every day? It took me a long time to understand it just means straightening the sheets.
That's a funny image. A little Lily with a hammer and nails in her bedroom. So how do you make your bed now?
Well, first I straighten the sheets, then I fluff the pillows and put them at the top of the bed, and then I pull up the blankets smoothly.
So you fluff the pillows? That means you make them round and soft again after sleeping on them?
Exactly. You just hit them a few times, shake them, and they get all fluffy again. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
I have to say, I never make my bed. I just leave the blanket in a big pile. It's like a nest.
A nest! That's a perfect description. But making the bed only takes a minute, and it makes the room feel much cleaner.
I know you're right. Maybe I should try it. So after you make the bed, what's the next step?
The next step is to open the curtains. I love to let in some natural light. It just changes the whole mood of the room.
I like that phrase, open the curtains. It's such a simple thing, but it brings the day in, doesn't it?
It really does. And sometimes I also let in some fresh air. If it's not too cold, I'll open the window for a couple of minutes.
That's a great idea. Your room must feel so refreshing. My curtains are usually closed all day. I need to work on that.
You should try it. It's like you're waking up the whole house. Then I usually look outside the window for a moment.
What do you see?
Well, I live on a quiet street, so I see a few cars, maybe a dog being walked, or my neighbor watering her plants. It's a nice, calm view.
That sounds like a peaceful start to the day. For me, after I manage to get up, I head straight to the bathroom. I head to the bathroom.
That's the next logical step. What's your bathroom routine like?
Well, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. I feel like my mouth is a little dry when I wake up, and I just want to feel fresh.
I completely agree. I hate that morning breath feeling. Do you brush right away, or do you do other things first?
I brush immediately. I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes, and I always use a minty toothpaste.
The strong, minty flavor is the only thing that really wakes me up. It's like a shock to the system.
Exactly. It's a good, clean feeling. Then after that, I wash my face with cold water.
Oh, cold water. That must be very refreshing. I use warm water because I find it more gentle.
You're probably right. It's just a habit from when I was a teenager. I used to have very oily skin, so cold water helped.
That's interesting. So you splash it on your face, or do you use a washcloth?
I just cup my hands under the cold water and splash it on my face a few times. Then I pat it dry with a small towel. Do you look in the mirror during this time?
All the time. I have to look in the mirror to make sure I'm not walking around with toothpaste on my face. I'm a bit messy.
That happened to me once before a video call. I had a little white spot on my nose. It was so embarrassing.
Oh no! Did anyone notice?
No one said anything, but I think they saw it. I was just sitting there talking with a spot of toothpaste on my face.
That's a great look. Very professional.
I know, right? So, do you take a shower in the morning, Lily?
Oh, absolutely. I have to take a shower. It's the most important part of my morning routine.
I feel the same way. It's like a restart button for the day. Warm water just wakes up your whole body.
Yeah, I feel like a new person after a shower. I can't do anything until I shower. If I have to go out without one, I feel so weird.
Me too. It's a must. Do you wash your hair every day?
I try not to. I wash my hair every other day. If I do it every day, it gets too dry, but I always get it wet.
That's smart. I wash my hair every day because I have short hair, so it's easy. It dries really quickly.
That's the advantage of having short hair. For me, showering is a long process. I take a shower, wash my hair, then use conditioner. It takes time.
But you feel great afterwards, right?
Yes, definitely. I feel clean and energized. The last thing I do in the shower is just stand under the hot water for a minute and think about my day.
I do that too. I like to think about what I have planned. It's a good, quiet moment.
Then I get out and dry off with a big, fluffy towel.
Dry off. That means to use a towel to remove the water from your body.
Yes, exactly. I wrap the towel around me and just pat myself dry. I don't rub too hard because it can be rough on your skin.
I'm always in a hurry, so I just rub the towel like I'm trying to start a fire. Then I wrap it around my waist.
Like trying to start a fire. That's a funny image.
And then, of course, it's time for the hardest part of the morning, choosing what to wear and getting dressed.
You're right. That is the hardest part. It can be such a struggle. I stand in front of my closet for ages.
Me too. I have a lot of clothes, but I always feel like I have nothing to wear. It's a common problem.
It is. Some days I already know what I'm going to put on. I put on my clothes in a few minutes and I'm done. But other days, I just don't know.
So what's your process? Do you pick your clothes the night before?
I try to, but I'm usually too tired. I just go by my mood in the morning. If I'm feeling colorful, I choose something bright.
That's a nice way to do it. You let your mood decide. I'm very practical. I usually check the weather first.
That's smart. I always forget to check the weather. Then I go outside and I'm either too hot or too cold.
Exactly. So I look at my phone to check the temperature. If it's cold, I plan to put on a sweater. If it's sunny, I choose something lighter.
So you dress for the weather, not your mood.
Mostly. But I do have a favorite shirt that I wear when I need a little boost of confidence. Do you have a favorite piece of clothing?
I do. It's this old, very soft green sweater. It's not very fashionable, but it's so comfortable. When I wear it, I feel ready for anything.
A comfort sweater. I love that. I have a pair of very broken-in jeans that I love. They feel like pajamas, but they look like jeans.
That's the perfect combination. So after you choose your clothes, you get dressed.
Yes. For me, getting dressed is the final step. It means I'm officially ready to face the world.
Exactly. I put on my outfit and then I comb my hair.
Me too. I comb my hair so it's neat. I use a comb, not a brush.
I prefer a brush. It feels better on my scalp, like a little massage.
A brush does feel good. It's like a small moment of self-care.
Then I look in the mirror again. Not to check my appearance, but to sort of say, okay, I'm ready for the day.
That's a lovely ritual. A final look in the mirror as a moment of confidence.
I like that you said that. It is about confidence. After that, I put on my shoes.
Do you wear the same shoes every day?
I have a few pairs I rotate. Today, I put on my shoes, some comfortable sneakers, because I'm going for a walk later.
Then I grab my bag. I pack my bag the night before because I'm always in a hurry in the morning. I just need to grab it and go.
That is a very smart habit. You're very organized, Alex.
I try to be. It saves me from running around the house panicking. Do you have a similar routine?
No, I am the opposite. I pack my bag in the morning while my coffee is brewing. It's always a little chaotic.
Chaos. A classic morning routine. So, after you put on your shoes and pack your bag, what's next?
Well, I have a final look around. I make sure I have my keys, my wallet, and my phone. Then I am officially ready for the day.
That's a great feeling, isn't it? When you're ready for the day. It means you're prepared and you have a positive mindset.
It is. Even though it took me an hour and I hit the snooze button 3 times, I feel ready to start.
The snooze button is always part of the plan.
It's a crucial part of the getting ready process.
So, thinking back on our whole morning routine, it's pretty long, isn't it?
It is, but it's our whole life. We do these steps every single day. We wake up, get out of bed, make the bed, get ready. It's a rhythm.
I never really thought about how many small steps there are. Waking up, stretching, brushing teeth, showering, getting dressed.
It's a beautiful routine dance, isn't it? And every step is part of preparing us for the day.
And I think there's something nice about the routine. It's comforting. You don't have to think about it too much.
You're right. It's a way to start your day with a little bit of order. It feels good to have that structure.
Even the simple things like fluffing the pillows or letting in some fresh air can really make a difference in your mood.
I think so too. It's about enjoying the small moments.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. I really enjoyed talking about our mornings with you, Lily.
Me too, Alex. It was so much fun to share these simple habits and all our little stories.
I hope you, our listeners, enjoyed this conversation as much as we did.
We hope you learned some useful phrases and that you feel more confident in your English.
Remember, listening to natural conversations is one of the best ways to improve. So keep listening, keep practicing.
And if you want to practice even more, please share your own morning routine in the comments. Do you hit the snooze button or do you jump out of bed?
We would love to hear from you. What does your morning look like?
And thank you so much for spending this time with us. It means a lot.
We'll see you next time on the Natural English Podcast.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more conversations.
Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye.
Bye for now.